Hai. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Naiem bin KAMARUZZAMAN and I am from third year student Faculty of Electrical Engineering, Universiti Teknikal Malaysia, Melaka. In this video, I will talk about my industrial training at RPCM. So first thing first, what is RPCM stand for? RPCM stand for Reliant Petrochemical Malaysia Sendirian Berhad. RPCM is the sole manufacturer of purified terephthalate acid in Malaysia with a capacity of 610 km ton. It is located in the state of Pahang and about 25 km from Kuantan. The plant is one of the most reliable PTA plant in Southeast Asia. Sorry. For your information, the plant is started in 1997 as Amoco Chemicals Malaysia and was later renamed by BP Chemicals Malaysia. And now it has been bought by Reliant Industry, which is located in the Middle East. The vision of RPCM is to be the most preferred PTA manufacturer and supply partner to our customer. Now we go to the next part, which is how the product is processing. For the basic understanding of the process, paraxylene, or we call it as a PX, will interact with the oxygen and then it will produce the terephthalate acid with acetic acid as a carrier and hydrogen bromide as a catalyst. Then the terephthalate acid will going through a purification process to produce a purified terephthalate acid. So this is the RPCM organizational chart. The president of Reliance Malaysia operation is Rakesh Gao. Next, we are going to my department chart, which is engineering department. Our engineering manager is Mr. David Eng Teh Wei, and my industry supervisor is Mr. HAFIZUL Muhammad, who is the only electrical engineer in RPCM. So this is the photo of my industry supervisor, Mr. HAFIZUL Muhammad. So we are going to the next part, which is the benefit I got from the company as a trainee. As a trainee, I got a 600 of allowance per month, full set of PPE, computer pool, free claim to all Clanet panel, and free access to any RPCM approved facilities. This is actually such a good benefit as a trainer. So, what I'm responsible in technical work? We have three types of technical work, which is a preventive maintenance (PM), corrective maintenance (CM), and troubleshooting. Preventive maintenance is the regularly and routine maintenance of equipment or asset in order to keep them running and prevent any costly unplanned downtime. In PM, I have did CP protection inspection, UPS inspection, earthing inspection, genset inspection, high voltage breaker inspection, transformer inspection, and 132 kV substation inspection. Next, corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is to identify, isolate, and rectify a fault so that the failed equipment or machine can be restored to an operational condition. In CM, I have did a relocation protocell, rewiring DOL starter, remove air conditioner outdoor unit, remove 6.6 kV motor, remove 4.5 motor, VSD installation, and water pump installation. Then troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is a form problem solving of failed product or process machine. In troubleshooting, I have going through with troubleshoot trip lightning breaker, VSD setup, troubleshoot submersible pump, and troubleshoot AHU system. Next part is the problem occurred during my industrial training program and the solution that proposed by me. So, the problem chosen by me is to troubleshoot trip breaker for AHU system at MCC room, new wastewater treatment. Then I propose my solution, which is to apply the insulation resistance test (IR test) to the outgoing cable from the main breaker using megameter. Then the result for the IR test for the outgoing cable is below 1 mega ohm. So after that, we are going to the rooftop panel to check whether the short is come from the main breaker or the motor. After we check, we got the result, which is incoming cable is more than 1 mega ohm, while the outgoing cable is below the mega ohm. So we conclude that the shot is come from the motor. For the last step to make a confirmation, I apply the RI test on each phase of the induction motor. So we got the result, which is the result is for each phase induction motor is below 1 mega ohm. So the conclusion is the blower motor has short winding and should be returned back to the vendor. Last but not least, I express my deepest thanks to Mr. Muhammad HAFIZUL, electrical engineer, for being my industry supervisor and taking part in useful decision and giving necessary advices and guidance, and arrange all facilities to make my life easier. I choose this moment to acknowledge his contribution gratefully. Besides, a huge thank you to all electrical and instrument staff for their careful and precious guidance, which were extremely valuable for my study, both theoretical and practically. I perceive as this opportunity as a big milestone in my career development. I will strive to use gained skill and knowledge in the best possible way, and I will continue to work on their improvement in order to attain desired career objective. Hope to continue cooperation with all of you guys in future. Best regards. Thank you.